So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for right here, Microsoft Office. Now, if you see Microsoft Office click to run, you want to end the task. So if you do see this Microsoft Office click to run, you want to click on it and then click on end task. For the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. And then click on Program Files. You want to delete the Microsoft Office version that you're trying to install. Or if it says for you Microsoft Office 15, you want to delete this one. I'm not going to delete it myself because I don't have this problem. But in your case, you just want to delete this folder. And now after you delete that folder, the problem should now be fixed. You should now be able to run the installer again.